He did. He still has a little of that naughtiness there.
Yeah.
Where he nibbled my hand and then he leaned up on me. He's like, "Take that, brother."
Yeah, he loves to do that.
So definitely something to fine tune. You can see the insecurity in him. Let him drift out. That's what I want to fix right there. That stuff.
Yes.
I'm gonna pet you. I'm gonna pet you. I'm gonna pet you.
She's freaking nuts. Yeah.
Let's get the fuck out of here. Jaxx. Jaxx. Oh boy. Jaxx. He's like, can somebody come get this lady?
Jaxx, come. Jaxx, come.
You can see where he gets conflicted and like, should I go after it? And so that's what you're looking to see a little bit of that and then say, okay, come out of it.
Yeah.
Come out of it. That's it. Now just let him sit in there for a minute. Take your hands off him for a second.
Jaxx,
Just give him a lead at.
Jaxx, come. Come.
Oh, that's the line on his leg.
Come on.
So we have to actually bring him into it.
Hi, it's so good to see you.
Hi, how you doing? He doesn't care.
Can I
Another.
pet your dog?
Yes.
Oh, hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, you like your butt?
He loves the butt.
That's your stuff.
Fall back.
Jaxx, come. Come. Come.
3-second rule. I've done this before where you can set releases up to go in. People, a lot of trainers do that. They send a release to go say hi, bring them out. As long as it's a calm release.
Yeah.
One, two, back up and recall.
Jaxx, come. Come on.
It definitely goes into that guarding sort of
Yeah.
thing. One drink minimum, Jack. But see, now he's like not into it.
Yeah.
Which that to me is fine.
Mm-hmm.
I'd rather have
Absolutely.
that. That's good. Look what he did.
Yes. Good job.
How does Elvis going? There's no food in this at all. And the sheer fact that he's like just keeps looking at me is amazing. Like there's no food conditioning. Well, of course we're keeping control of our human right now.
Yeah.
Not letting her. But see now he's like, okay. Jaxx.
Oh my God, can I pet your dog? Oh my God.
Jaxx. This lady wants to say hi. He goes, I don't care.
Look at that.
Wow.
Holy cow. I think it'll be like that in the car tomorrow.
Okay, Liz. Hands off.
Susie here's crinkling.
Yeah, buddy.
All I have is love.
It's a whole wide world.
Leave it. Leave it. Good. Good job, buddy. So the stuff that we did. Leave it. Leave it.
Oh, this is my butt.
Jack.
This is my butt.
So I'll bring him out a little bit. Let him go back in. He's not understanding the leave it.
This
Just
is my butt
bring him
right
out
here.
and
Do
set
you
him.
see my butt?
Jack.
This is it.
So we're still doing the 3-second thing.
Over time, he will do that softer.
That's the goal.
Oh, oh, look at him.
See, like when she's pouring it
Oh,
on, Jack can't help it. So I gotta come to his aid. Okay, Jack, come on. Crazy lady, I know. Go to your place.
You just gotta laugh.
Can't control that.
Yeah, I know.
Jack's place. Place. Jack. Listen now.
That was the best.
Hello. IRL.
Jaxx, come.
Remember that?
And also, if you don't want them, recall them back.
Hi, buddy.
But sometimes if we're blocking them, like you can suppress them and make them more
Jaxx, come.
anxious to get there.
Mm-hmm.
Like if he's going in, that's better, slower.
Hi, buddy. Hello.
You bring him out.
That's
That's
good.
good. Why he's calm.
Mm-hmm. Hey.
Hi, Jack. Hi, bud. Hello. Hi. Oh, booty boy.
Booty call.
Jaxx, come.
Look at that, he was leaving. Right? To evacuate. You
Yes.
know, before he overstepped.
Yeah.
Yeah, he doesn't care. Oh, yeah.
But you know, this is day 3 of
Treat bag.
What kind of dog is this? Oh my God,
He's a party dog.
Look at that.
You wanna go get some marges after this? With some tacos? Yeah.
Let's go.
Be excited.
Yeah.
Would you, so to escalate this, in addition to doing more reps, would you try to add more people too? So
Oh,
like
yeah.
eventually do 2 people?
Let's go.
But you don't wanna like,
People, is that what you're at? Like more than one person?
Yeah, so like if he gets good at one person,
Let's go.
do you
oh, you
have
can
to?
move next to the, in workshops before where we've lined up all the students and we just work the dog off this person, went to the next one, went to the next one, went to the next one, and the dog eventually took itself out of the situation, went and put itself on the plate. But like now he took himself out though. That's like sometimes people go, well, he's still doing it. I'm like, well, he did, but he left.
Yeah.
And now he's just being pushy.
Yeah.
Let's
It's his favorite move.
help you.
But that's, yeah, that's your call, right?
Mine too.
Do it.
I call it the booty call.
It works. Jaxx. He seems to get what he wants.
So when he comes into me, there's a conversation in the shoulder. And there's pressure and release, there's pressure and release, and pressure and release. So I can't ask people to do that, but
Let's go.
so I'm not gonna do anything. So that's where you can give him like a leave it.
I like this guy.
Building a protocol, so that now you can just
Yeah.
pass the protocol.
Exactly.